Hi everyone, Malibu Sean Peatman here again, and welcome to another episode of Sean Tries. And today I am trying Stanley Park's Windstorm West Coast Pale Ale. Let's see what it looks like. I have to get, and this is from Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. Cheers! And it's also and the craft brewery that this is made is in actually Stanley Park itself, which is pretty nice. Well, have to. Whoa! It has a nice. The foam, it tastes pretty good. It has that nice nutty flavor, mind you. And so I had a little trick I got taught by some friends that get the foam down. Yep, you can actually taste. It has a nice nutty flavor, and it's pretty fucking awesome. And for a pale ale that's a craft beer, it's drinkable. Props to Stanley Park Brewing. Cheers, man, to all you people who are drinking craft beer tonight.